Right. Good. Thanks for joining. Students, my name is Vicky. I am your trainer. Uh, I am today here we are assembled to understand what is SAP S/4HANA Material Management module and the significance of module. I know many of you are planning or seeking a career in SAP. So choosing a material management, what kind of opportunities you find in SAP line and this journey, learning journey after that, your career journey to make it, without any hurdles and a smooth way. So what are all, prerequisites, what are all things you need to follow? I just want to explain during this demo. I request everyone the next maybe 30 to 45 minutes, which is very important. Try to focus without any distraction. So this is going to your career. So that is very important to understand each and every line, that would be helpful, to plan your career successfully. So before starting my session today, I would like to introduce myself. I'm already my name, and I'm working as a one of the one of the German-based company as a solution architect. Last 12 years, I'm in SAP line. Got an experience in domestic and international projects, and I am experienced and expertise in 9 modules, and I am global certified in 7 modules. Basically, I'm a techno-functional consultant, one of the German-based project currently working as a architect. Architect, nothing but a designer. Before implementation, we design the project. Based upon the design, uh, project management will follow that design and will implement the same in real time, right? SAP projects. That is what my role in current organization. And training or teaching line is my passion since 2014. I'm conducting the classes in various modules. MM is one of the module. Apart from that, there is a project classes also I am conducting parallelly. This is my short introduction. So students, you can call me Vicky or Vijay, your wish. So during, once I start explaining the things, listen carefully. I know sometimes you might be having questions, but please park your questions. Once I conclude my session, I take your question and will try to answer as many as I can within the time period. Okay. So don't, interrupt. I try to cover almost all parts of, important points during this demo. Once I conclude my demo, I invite questions from you. So still you have any open questions, I'm happy to assist you. Okay. All right. Then what is next? Now I consider almost including me, 19 students are there in today's demo. But I don't know how many people are aware of my sessions and all. Last almost 7 to 8 years, I'm conducting the session. Today's demo, the intention or the purpose behind this demo is I am going to start one new batch day after tomorrow, that is Saturday. That is my 178th batch. So for that batch, we have few seats left to take into the admission part. Yeah. So that's the reason I'm conducting this demo. So listen carefully. If you plan, after demo, if you feel these sessions would be helpful to you, you come forward, reach out to your HR and ask them for the next steps, how to get the enrollment. All right. Okay. Now, if you are today in my session means maybe you are interested in SAP. Okay. I know few of you already having experience in various fields. Some people are in teaching, some people are in accounting, some people are in designing, some people engineering background, degree background, MBA background. I know many of you having different or various backgrounds, and non-IT background students are more. I know that. But now you are planning into SAP. You want to switch your career from your non-SAP domain to SAP domain. That is the step you want to take it. Ideally, most of the students, this is the main criteria. If that is the reason, usually to take into SAP line a career building, so definitely there could be some reason, right? Simply, we cannot take the steps, career step easily. See, if we want to buy a T-shirt or if we want to eat some, biryani, we ask our friends which is the good hotel nearby, isn't it? So if you go to any new place, we inquire, here and there, what is the good hotel in this town, or where is the good, hotel to stay out. So we ask so many questions, so many inquiries, right? At least one day staying or one day, or having some lunch or dinner, we inquire so many things. So to career building, right, in your life, you want to, right, build a career in SAP means definitely how much hard work you should put, ma? Definitely you should put lot of hard work, correct? At least my point is inquiring. Inquiring for what? Inquiring for, suppose if you want to take a career in SAP, is that good? Is that right decision? So maybe software is unpredictable, right? It's unpredictable. Today we have a market. Maybe tomorrow may not be. Indian market, especially software industries, completely depends upon the foreign markets. Yeah. Suppose if something happen in America, so maybe some projects will be having impact, and somewhere some war is happening means some projects definitely will be having impact. So due to these reasons, people are losing the jobs, and we are calling that as a recession. So IT industry is a, unpredictable when it will right, market is booming, and when it is coming, I mean, going down, really we cannot have a control on it. But still, what I can say, in IT organization, SAP is having a special place. Even you believe me, last Corona time, we never forget that time, right? Even that Corona time also, we had very good market in IT, that is SAP market. What is the reason? Even I can ask you why SAP. I just want to ask you, but I know why SAP means your answers also I know. Okay. What is your answers most of the time? SAP, Vijay, SAP is a good IT career. That could be one of the answer. SAP, we get very handsome salaries, maybe. In SAP, maybe work-life balance will be good, maybe one of the reason. SAP is having, a very high career, very high, what is that, travel opportunities. Means you can travel globally for SAP projects. Maybe that is a reason. And career options are more, work-life balance already said, salaries are high, 5 days working time, as it is IT industry. So all are, if you see, all these points are right, definitely, giving some interest to any candidate to enter into SAP or choosing a career in SAP. So what I am trying all these things, simply I can open the syllabus. These are first topic, second topic, third topic. These topics I cover. This is what syllabus copy. This is what the period. This is the fees. So if you are interested, join. Like that, I can close this demo. Maybe what is procure to pay, what is the inventory management, what is account determination. If I tell those points, and right, if I close the demo, maybe that everyone will do that. Everyone. However, we are going to do the same. Maybe once I start the classes on Saturday, I'm going to explain the same. But to enter into my classroom, what I feel personally, my student should have a clarity to enter into this journey, not confusion. You must take the decision of SAP career. Whether you take admission here or outside, doesn't matter, ma. You just listen my points with open mind. I'm not talking about admission part. I am happy whatever I am having. Already I have a good number of people. This current batch, whatever I'm going to start the batch, already 70% admissions are I'm already filled. That 30% I can easily I will get maybe, right. That is not the problem. What I am trying to say, openly think, because you this is your career. This is for you, each and every student who joined this session. You are planning career in SAP. So you should have a clarity on your profile, your journey to take this step. So it is not a matter of 3 months. So it is not matter of some rupees. It is matter of your career. So that's what I am very, very clearly I want to explain how this journey would be. After 10 years, where do you want to see yourself? If you start SAP journey this year, after 3 years, where you want to see yourself? After 5 years, where do you want to see yourself? After 10 years, where do you want to see yourself? At the retirement age, if you are still in SAP, so how much rich you will become? That you should have a clear clarity on the day one, no? Then only you are in the right line. As a teacher, as a mentor, I should able to provide that vision to you in day one. Then I am the correct trainer to you. So what I'm saying, 100% even recession in market, SAP is a great career, no doubt at all. SAP is a great career path for each and every individual. Why I'm telling students, how many people are aware what is SAP? SAP is a business software. Yeah, SAP is a business software. Means, what do you mean by business software? Business software means in market, so many organizations are running, right? Like what? Um, uh, Food industries, chemical industries, mechanical industries, painting industries, pharmaceutical industries, whatnot. So many line of businesses, correct? Almost all top multinational companies, almost all top multinational companies are running on SAP. So the reason is SAP is a business software. SAP is a integrated, best integrated software. SAP is available in so many languages. SAP supports so many currencies. SAP is providing real-time information. SAP actually built on latest platform like BTP, and SAP supports the latest innovative technology like machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, whatnot. Now, whatever we are using the jargons, everything SAP supports. Whatnot, everything SAP. Now you know, right? Chat GPT. Recently, Google also released it. What is that? Gemini, correct? You know, right? Many of you are aware ChatGPT. You can open ChatGPT, open AI tool, right? So how we are using ChatGPT? Same thing in Google. Gemini is released, correct? So in SAP, Joule. So there is a automation tool is built by SAP. So there are so many things are happening in SAP. SAP is not a MM module. SAP is not a PP module. SAP is not a SD module. This is the gateway to enter into SAP. Once you enter into SAP, there are so many career opportunities. So there is a so many steps in this. So your lifetime, how much you achieve, maybe some extent, but there are so many things to learn, so many things to explore. So you are very beginning, you are outside SAP, you want to enter into SAP. But what I can say, students, SAP is a wonderful career. It gives everything to you because market is super demand. Almost all MNC companies running on SAP. So they need resources, which means employees. So you are all employees. I mean, you are all interesting resources. If you are having good knowledge, they hire you. If you are not having good knowledge, they don't hire you. So to get selected into SAP, what is important? Knowledge is important, nothing else. So that knowledge I am going to provide you as a real-time consultant, as I am having good amount of experience in this line. So whatever knowledge I gain in SAP material management, I am going to explain you theoretically, practically, front end, back end, almost all dimensions, I am going to cover the latest syllabus to you. That syllabus helps to clear the interview. Okay. So first thing is, you should prepare your mind. SAP is undoubtedly very good career. Reason, many companies are using. So second thing is, in recession time also, SAP, there is no losing jobs. So losing jobs may happen if you are incapable or unable, you have a inability to perform any actions in organization. I mean, work relatedly. If you are a, if you are not a good performer, definitely no one will bear, right? No one will, 1 month they will see. If you do not perform, means any organization, they will remove you. That will happen anytime. But intentionally, no one will remove in any organization because you are skillful. So yeah, SAP fulfill all your dreams, software industry. So no doubt at all, you can choose a organization, SAP. But to enter into SAP, what is required? So SAP is good career. SAP is in demand. SAP is having opportunities in market. Yeah, what is the minimum prerequisite? If you are a diploma, if you are a degree, if you are a MBA, if you are a engineering, if you are a fresher, if you are experienced in any line, you can choose the SAP career. So MM is one of the top demand module, material management. This MM module I am going to teach you on S/4HANA platform. So like MM, we have a production planning, we have a sales, we have a finance. But comparatively, MM is a easy procurement, inventory, very easy to understand. So choosing MM is the right choice. No doubt at all. Choosing MM is the very right choice. This really helps you to enter into SAP with, with reasonable efforts. That is what I can say. Okay, ma. Now what I do, let me share my screen and I would like to explain important things and all step by step. I request everyone, please try to put your complete attention toward the session. So I'm going to share my screen. All right, now screen is visible. I can see you. You can able to see my screen now. Okay. All right. Good. So, what you can see, SAP S/4HANA MM 178 demo means this is my 178 batch. Students, there are so many icons. Don't get distracted with these icons. Let's see. This is my current batch, 177 batch. Okay. So here, if I open whatever documents you are seeing, each and every document personally I create, I present, I explain, and I will share it to you. So in future, right, you are going to get all this document if you are a part of my sessions, ma. All right. Now, okay, we'll talk about this current one. So first, we'll understand, okay, what exactly this SAP MM subject, and to get, see, first thing is what I know, you are already some students. I'm using the word student because right, as per this training program, I'm your teacher, I'm your mentor. I'm going to guide you right in a right direction how to get the SAP job. That is what my responsibility here. So now what I'm saying, maybe you are recently passed out student, or 20 years back you passed out your education, doesn't matter. You can still start SAP journey. What I'm saying, you are a this year passed out student, or 20 years or 25 years back passed out student, doesn't matter. You can still start your SAP journey. How much domain you had in a different field doesn't matter. Still, you can start your SAP journey. Whether you are a accountant, whether you are a right planner, whether you are a designer, whether you are a teacher, whether you are a driver, whether you are a whatnot, any field, maybe petrol bunk, boy also you can plan SAP career. What is required? Graduation is required without any backlogs. Still, you can learn SAP career. Okay, that is the first thing. So if you have a prerequisite, you are eligible to learn the SAP module. then what is important. So student, what I am trying to explain here, directly I can open SAP syllabus topics and all I can show. Just now I said that however I am going to cover. Why are you hurry for that? Let's keep it aside. First, what I am trying to give a confidence to you. I know now you joined today. I respect your time. Everyone is having only one intention here, that is to start your career in SAP. So you are going to invest your money, you are going to invest your time the next 3.5 months or 4 months in my guidance. So what I am trying to say now, that day one itself, you should have a confidence by what way and how right you will get a SAP job. What kind of efforts you have to put in order to get the SAP job. I will explain very clearly the efforts which is needed to get the job. Listen carefully. And if you are really confident, yes, Vijay, I am going to put these efforts to get the job. I am ready. Please help me means definitely I would help you. So what I am trying to say. So now students in SAP world. So what is SAP? SAP is a systems application products in data processing. That is the full form of SAP. This if you browse in Google also you will get it. That is the definition of it. But what is our definition? It is a business software. It is a business software package. It is one of the business software package. SAP is a business software. So SAP having different platforms. ECC is the old platform. Now latest platform is SAP S/4HANA. So now in SAP S/4HANA, I am going to teach MM Material Management course. So this is you are going to learn here. So this course, next 3.5 months, I am going to teach you. So to learn this course, no prerequisite. I am going to start from A, B, C, D, which means from basics. First 2-3 classes, completely basics I will teach. Slowly I will take you into the system and I will explain each and everything. So each and every class is very detailed and very neatly, explained and providing each and every class documentation to you once I conclude the session on same day. Okay. So that is the thing. Now in SAP, in SAP, suppose if you want to start a career in SAP, what you should know, how many varieties of jobs you can see in SAP. So students, I can say one thing, in SAP world, any graduate want to enter into SAP world, the most or highest demand, job is, listen carefully, in SAP, if you want to start a career in SAP, the highest demand and highest salary and most right hot job in SAP, that is SAP first position, it is SAP MM consultant position. What is the position? In SAP, the very highest demand position is SAP MM consultant position. So what I am showing here in SAP, what kind of jobs you will get it after completion of the course. You should have that clarity, right? Are you learning with time pass? Are you spending this money for time pass? No, right? I'm sure no one will spend money for time pass. No one will spend their time for time pass here. You are going to spend your right your amount or time because you have a clarity, you have a goal. So the goal is SAP job. So if you don't know how many varieties of job and how many right job opportunities in market, if you don't know this clarity, there is no point, right? There is no clarity on this journey. That is what I'm trying to say. So what I am explaining, the highest demanding job is SAP MM consultant job. The second highest demand job is SAP MM user job. Next, SAP MM tester job. Next, SAP data migration job. Okay. This way you will be having, there are other positions also, but these are the 4 important positions you can say. SAP project manager, that and all some senior level jobs or project management level jobs, so you cannot get those jobs unless and until you have a right project management certification, or that is different story na. So you are not going to management line, you want to settle as a consultant, correct? Then these are the four primary jobs. Which are the which are those are SAP MM consultant job, SAP MM user job, SAP MM tester job, SAP MM data migration job. So out of these four, as I said, the first job is this is super demand here. So to get this job is really challenging. Competition also super high. But if you get this job now, IT culture, 5 days, work-life balance, work from home options, so hybrid work, full good salary, handsome salaries, on-site opportunities, new projects, new people, new culture, whatnot. Everything is, you feel like a colorful world. SAP MM consultant job. SAP MM user job is something. He's a basically user. He works as a end user activities, one organization. So just one organization, he's working in SAP, but as a user, front end. Tester job is something already everything is there. He will put the value, getting the result, just like a data entry. Tester job is putting the value, getting the result. If result is not appropriate, he will raise a ticket. Data migration is uploading the data from one system to other system. This is also kind of a data entry. So these two jobs, still you are in SAP, but data entry works. This job is you are in organization, but front end activity will do. Consultant is something dynamic role. Means you can work in front end, you can work in back end. If any problem is there, you can able to resolve the problem also. So in suppose I know it's not easy to digest all these things for the fresher or new people. I will tell one small example. Okay. I will explain one small example. Suppose if anyone from Karnataka, uh, Nandini Milk Organization, correct? Many of you aware. Why? Because I am taking milk industry. Milk is very close to our life, so easy to understand. Nandini Milk is a dairy company. It's a dairy company. It's a Karnataka-based company. Okay, it's a Karnataka-based company. Suppose, what I said, definition of SAP. SAP is a business software package. Correct. So Nandini Milk is a business. Yes, 100%. It's a business. They are running business. Which business? Milk business. Milk business means they are operating milk related activities. They are procuring the milk. They are processing the milk. They are packing the milk. They are selling the milk. So everything is milk related or milk products related activities. It's a milk company or dairy company. Okay. So this company is eligible to use SAP, of course. Why? Because they have good revenue, maybe 100 plus crores revenue they are generating. So if any company wants to implement SAP or purchase SAP, they should have a good revenue. That is important. SAP is a very costly product. You won't get thousands or you won't get that in lakhs, minimum crores. So the company also should have that much capable. Like how iPhone. If iPhone is their brand, right? Same thing. If some company using SAP means at least that company is having that much revenue. So Nandini Milk is having good revenue. So they are eligible to run SAP software. For example, for example, Nandini Milk organization currently using Oracle software. Means the entire organization running on Oracle. Now Nandini Milk decided, okay, SAP is very demand. We heard SAP is having so many users, so many benefits. Why can't we go for Oracle to SAP? Why can't we go for Oracle to SAP? So means Nandini Milk management decided, now we are using Oracle. Let's purchase SAP. So maybe we can implement SAP in our organization. Means they are going to remove this Oracle. In place of Oracle, they are going to use SAP. Okay, purchasing is okay. If they put some 3 crores, 4 crores, they can purchase SAP. But who will replace? Now, purchases in Oracle, purchase activities are running, finance activities are running, production activities are running, maintenance activities are running, whatnot. Everything is running on Oracle. Now what they are going to do, if they are removing Oracle means what? Whatever activities currently they are doing in Oracle software, all activities should shift into SAP, right? So here, this particular process is called, means replacing the current software with SAP software is called implementation project. What is that, ma? Implementation project. It's a real-time project. So this implementation project in real time, 1 year it will take. Now, whatever course you are learning right here, that course you are going to use in this implementation project finally. So to survive or to put your efforts in implementation project, how much knowledge is required, that much knowledge I am going to provide during these subject classes to you. Means I am going to prepare you to survive in this implementation project in real time. So in real time means company, if they want to implement SAP, right, this implementation project work starts. In this implementation project, you are the member. Okay. Here what happens? Nandini Milk is having team, right? This team is called business team. Which team? Business team. Suppose if they want to implement SAP in their organization, Nandini Milk cannot implement. Nandini Milk know how to process milk, how to prepare doodh peda, how to prepare rasagulla, gulab jamun. They know, they are experts in that. How to implement SAP, they are not experts. But who will help to the Nandini Milk? Who will help to the Nandini Milk? Either SAP company or SAP partner companies. SAP company or SAP partner companies. SAP company means direct SAP, SAP main company, or SAP partner. SAP partner companies means TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, right? Cognizant. These are all SAP partner companies. Means once you complete SAP course, you will get opportunities in TCS, Infosys, Cognizant. So who will help to the business? Either SAP can help or SAP partner also can help. Means once you complete this SAP MM course, where do you get the jobs? You will get the jobs directly in SAP company, or you will get the jobs in TCS, Infosys, Cognizant. These are all, they are giving notification in Naukri, Monster and all. You can apply any job. Okay. Now, point is, who will help to the Nandini Milk means SAP partner companies will help. What Nandini Milk people will do, they will send a quotation to, for example, these three companies, including SAP, TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, four companies, they send quotation. How they will send quotation? We are from Nandini Milk. We are currently using Oracle. Recently purchased SAP. We purchased SAP, but we don't know how to implement. Please come and help us. Then what they do, what TCS, Infosys, Cognizant will do? Okay, we will help you. Give me 2 crores, give me 3 crores, give me 1.5 crores. Crores only, don't expect lakhs. Everyone will ask crores only because the service charges are more. Then finally, in this process, this is something called bidding process or something request for proposal process. So in this process, whoever quoted less price, generally they will be awarding to the project. Let's assume Nandini Milk selected TCS people. Let's assume Nandini Milk selected TCS people. So Nandini Milk decided. So let's give their SAP project to TCS people. So now TCS people is going to implement SAP in Nandini Milk. Now here two teams, right? One is Nandini Milk team. Second one is TCS team. So here, who is business team? Nandini Milk team. Who is project team? TCS team. So TCS team, also called project team, they are experts in SAP. Here, whoever work here under this TCS, whoever is working, they are calling as a consultants. So TCS recruit the consultants, MM, PP, SD, FI consultants. Means TCS with consultants, they work with Nandini Milk. So Nandini Milk team, right, whoever working from Nandini Milk team, they are all users. Means if you part of Nandini Milk team, you are a MM user. So suppose if you are a part of MM department, MM user. Same thing if you work under TCS means you are a MM consultant. So here what is the difference? Nandini Milk is a business team. Under Nandini Milk team, you can start your career as a user. So after this finalization of RFQ, what happens? Nandini Milk also publish we need a people who is knowledgeable in SAP. TCS also will publish in Naukri we need a people who is expert in SAP. Like that. Suppose if you respond to TCS team means you are joining as a consultant. If you respond as a Nandini Milk advertisement means you are a part of MM user. MM user means what? Nandini Milk plant, they are having purchase department after SAP implementation. So you are working as a purchase MM user. Means you are using SAP but front end. How to create production purchase order, how to do the inventory activities, all front end activities you will do. So is this demand? Okay, but what happens, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, how long you work in Nandini Milk? Same Nandini Milk diary, same office hours, same your carriage, same, what is that? Same products, same people, same faces. Nothing will change. Career also slowly will move on. Maybe salaries also less. Means you are always binding with one organization. If you are a user and front end activities only you will do. Suppose if you join in TCS, you become a consultant. Consultant means 1 year you are working with Nandini Milk. Once this project is over, you will be deploying in another project, maybe Philips. Otherwise, you got a chance to work in some Australia project. You should travel to Australia. You work 1 year there. Again, come back to India. Again, you got a chance in Germany. You travel to Germany. You support there. Again, come back to India. So, which means your job is colorful. Wherever client is there, you need to travel there. You need to understand their business and help the customers how to implement SAP, and again come back to your company. Like that, in your lifetime, you are going to see so many customers. So many customers means so many businesses. So many business means so many new people, new culture, new business processes. How beautiful life it is. SAP consultant is not a software engineer job. Do you have that assumption, or do you have that you know wrong assumption? Keep it aside. So SAP is not a software engineer job. Software engineer means sitting in front of the system doing programming, doing coding. That is software engineering. So SAP consultant is IT job, but you are going to deal with not only systems, you are going to deal with people also. SAP consultant job, why this much demand, because you are not only dealing with SAP systems, you are going to deal with business people also. So you should have a good subject knowledge, you should have a good communication, you should have a good attitude. All are important to get the SAP job. So SAP consultant job is a challenging job. So I hope everyone understood. So SAP MM consultant job means you will get opportunities in IT organization who are supporting to the businesses. SAP MM user means internal SAP jobs. Testers, so data migration jobs also, and then milk jobs only. I mean, user jobs only. So you should be here, consultant job. To become a consultant, what is important? Now come to the point. Where are you? You are here. I am calling you as I don't know, right? Everyone is having their names. I cannot put one name here. Others, right, can feel. I will put one common name. What is that? SAP aspirant. Means you are all SAP aspirants. Aspirants, you want to enter into where? You want to enter into SAP consultant job. So here you want to enter. Okay. Suppose if your goal is this one, if your goal is SAP consultant, so between you and your dream job, what is in between? Interview. Correct? Interview process. This interview process is very important. For example, TCS is announced, we got an Nandini Milk project, we need a MM consultant. Then what you do? You will apply to TCS. TCS selected you for interview. Means now you are here. If you want to enter into TCS consultant job, you should clear TCS interview. How TCS will conduct interview? Just for example, similar, any company also will follow the same. TCS will conduct by 3 rounds. How many rounds? 3 rounds. First one, technical round. Second one, project round. Third one, HR round. Technical round means subject. MM subject. Now, as we are learning SAP MM subject ma, MM subject. So this MM subject, you should be good theoretically, practically. 30 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes interview. So subject matter expert will take from TCS. So to get here, you have two options, pass or fail. When do you pass? When do you fail? If you are good in subject, you will pass. Pass means success. Fail means if you do not answer properly, you will fail. Now this decides. So to get pass or fail, so this guy who is taking interview, he will evaluate your knowledge. So here I am going to provide a training, right? SAP MM subject training to face this interview. So my students experience is after classes, how much level of confidence they will get it, they are generally used to say as Vijay, this interview is a chumma. Chumma means it is, I don't care. I don't care what they are asking. Whatever they are asking, everything I know. You covered almost every class, almost each and every class. I teach the subject that much deeply. Whatever they are asking, we know that we covered. We have done that practice. We use several times. You explained several times. Assignments I have given. The same thing they are asking. Each and every question, fat, I answered. So my students should say like this. There are so many success stories, ma. You will amaze. It's not easy journey. The last 7, 8 years, I am providing this training to many students. You go to any software organization, my student will be there. Only thing is I should not promote myself. That is the only thing because I'm working. So MM subject 30 to 45 minutes. For this 30 to 45 minutes of interview, you are going to give a efforts on, right? Almost how many months, ma? 3.5 months our classes. Our 3.5 months classes for 30 to 45 minutes to clear this interview. But that much is really required. Can't you complete everything in 1 month or 2 months means I can complete, but you cannot digest. I can complete. Means if you ask me, Vijay, can you complete within 1 month? Can you complete within 2 months the entire course? Yes, of course I can complete. But what is the use? How much knowledge I have doesn't matter. Na? How much I transfer to you, that is the matter. Am I correct, students? So how much knowledge I have, how that would be helpful to you? How much knowledge you gain by end of the day, that is the matter. That only possible if you spend minimum 3 months. Any new course, minimum amount of time you need to spend. Even mother also will take 9 months time to deliver the baby. Suppose if you ask, is that not possible within 5 months? Means yes, 5 months also possible, but right, how baby will come out. Correct? So how to get a healthy baby means to get a healthy results, you should have a minimum time to understand, learn, practice, digest, and give the interview 100% success. So this much time, 3.5 months time, you are going to get a expertism in SAP MM module. I am going to guide you. I am going to help you on it. Whatever I teach, there is assignments, review, corrections, follow up, everything will be there during this training classes, ma. So this is what technical round. What is second round? Project round. Here they ask real-time projects. Actually, these real-time projects we won't cover in subject classes. This is the separate training program. This is actually 10 to 15 minutes round. So this is something I am calling as a project classes. So after your subject classes, this project classes, this is subject classes, MM subject classes. This is project classes. My project classes will cover project round, real-time project. This actually 2 months. So after your subject classes, maybe after 1.5 months, 2 months, this project classes will start. So during this project classes, I teach one real-time project to you, and every student should work one project under my guidance. It is something called internship program. So here also pass or fail again. Suppose if you pass, again you will come to the HR. HR is something your personal discussion, right? And if everything goes well, offer letter. Once you come to the HR round means almost you are close close to the success. Once you got the offer means you are in TCS, right? So what are all challenges you are going to face to become a SAP consultant? You must clear technical round. That helps my subject classes. you are going to clear project round, that is the real-time projects. So our project classes maybe after, not immediately, after 2 months. And finally HR, I will guide you how to clear this, how to get the offer letter. So this is the training program. This is I am calling as a level 1 program. This is I am calling as a level 2 program, right? This is the offer letter. So all these 3 rounds to become a what? For a SAP MM consultant position. Now Vijay, I want to start SAP MM user position. Oh, you want to become a user? Then this round is not there. Okay, this round is there. If you want SAP MM user, this round is there. Next, directly this round only. There is no project round. If you want to become a SAP user, right, directly technical round, next HR round only. Project round is not required because you are not a consultant, right? You are a user, only subject knowledge, HR, fine. Vijay, SAP consultant fresher jobs. SAP consultant fresher jobs means jobs are very less, getting opportunities less. My idea is I want to show some experience in your resume. If you have any gap means domain knowledge. Suppose recently passed out students also, once you understand project classes, you can put the project activities and you can try for the jobs. So SAP consultant experienced freshers, you must go through these 3 rounds. Consultant means you should have a project idea. User means you need not to have the project idea. So maybe now then MM subject, am I going to teach only user activities? No, no, no. I am going to teach user activities, that is front end. I am going to teach back end also. Means I prepare you like a consultant. But why project round, why second L2 classes, this actually gives a idea how real time works. I am saying it is, is it really mandatory? Means I cannot say it is a mandatory. That is up to you. If you want to learn, you can learn it. Otherwise, you can still try with the subject classes also. That is up to you. Okay. So students, this is having different syllabus, different timeline, different fees. This is also having different syllabus, different timeline, different fees. So these 2 things, your HR will help you, right? The course duration is same, fees and other things and all. You please contact your HR who provided this meeting link. They will help you. All right, ma'am. Now it is clear. SAP consultant means you must face 3 rounds. SAP user means 2 rounds. Remaining data migration and other jobs also 2 rounds only. Project round is not there. That is clear. Okay. So what I am going to cover during these classes? So what kind of syllabus I am going to cover? So students, syllabus copy is here. Okay. So SAP S/4HANA MM sourcing and procurement. See, this is the course name. So students, today's Thursday, right? Day after tomorrow, that is Saturday, 12 o'clock. I am going to start the first batch. That is my first class. 1 month, first 1 month, 12 to 2. After 1 month, 10 to 12, Indian timing, IST. Direct sessions, live sessions. So directly I only take the sessions. So you should be available in the class. Every class there is a detailed notes. Once complete the session, I will provide the notes. Okay. So students, you see here, there are total entire syllabus. I divided into 3 sections. Sorry, 4 sections. A, B, C, D. That's it. A, B, C, D. These are the 4 sections, the entire syllabus. What is the first section? I know many of you don't know SAP, very new to SAP, keeping them into mind. First I start the session with SAP basics. Introduction to SAP. SAP S/4HANA. First of all, what is this? Previously ECC, now S/4HANA. What exactly this confusion? What is the difference between these two? So this is the system and the system introduction. Primary settings, I will show you. I open system, I will show you. And how to provide this server access to you. Everything I will guide you during these basic sessions. Once the system is ready, I'm going to start the first topic. From here onwards, practical classes will start. First, enterprise structure. This is the organization structure and configuration, material ledger, activation, HANA master data. So here master data settings. Here A, B, C, D, E also there. Sorry. E also there. A, B, C, D, E. A means basics. From here onwards, practical starts. And these are the different topics, ma. And master data is very important. Here, 5 master data we cover. Did you notice? Every master data, material master and configuration, business partner and configuration, info record and configuration, everything and configuration you see. So why? Because material master user activity, configuration consultant activity, business partner user activity, configuration consultant activity, which means every topic what is front end, what is back end. That way each and every topic, what is user activity, what is consultant activity, theoretically, practically, I will teach. Still, I know that it's not easy to understand. Vijay, still we do not understand how user will work, how consultant will work in SAP. I will tell you one thing, ma. I will tell you one thing. Uh, one small example I will give you. Do you have a bike? Maybe two-wheeler, three-wheeler. Maybe you might be having. Suppose, let's say you have a two-wheeler. Okay. You are driving maybe one place to other place. Then you started your bike, you are driving happily, enjoying the drive, first gear, second gear, third gear, super speed. You reached your goal. Okay. Then I can say that your bike is your SAP system. You are a user, you are driving that SAP system and happily enjoyed the drive and you reached your place. Good. This is the user activity. Suppose I take the same example. You have a bike, you are a user, you started your bike, you are driving. Sometime after few minutes, your bike don't know what happened. Suddenly it was stopped with a big noise. You just checked here and there, but no clue what happened inside. You are really right confused. You don't know what is the next. Then what you do? You have a bike. You are a user. You know how to drive, but you don't know. You don't know how to repair, how to check what went wrong in that vehicle because suddenly stopped. You don't know how to repair it. Then who is coming into your mind? Mechanic. Correct? Mechanic. So you will call to the mechanic, right? Hey, this bike has been stopped here. I don't know why it was stopped. Please come and check it. Then mechanic will come. He will check here and there. Are you this gone? Okay, let's replace this. He will fix the issue. And he say, yes, good, sir. Now you can. Yeah. Now in this example, who is mechanic? Your bike is SAP. You are driving means you are a user. Suddenly one more character came. He also know how to ride the bike. He also know one more quality, how to repair the bike, how to fix the issue if any problem comes in the bike, which means consultant is a person, SAP consultant is a person, SAP MM consultant who is experienced in MM module. If any problem comes in MM, front end activities also he will do, back end activities also he will do. In real time, if business MM user is having any problem, MM consultant will help, means you will help. Means during this training program, I am going to prepare you, I am going to train you, not a user level, consultant level. Means, after these classes, you will come to know how to drive the bike, how to repair the bike, how to do the right, how to create the product or purchase order, how to configure the purchase order, backend settings also you will come to know. So topic by topic, no need to explain ma here. Almost you can go through this syllabus copy. So first master data, so next transaction data. So transaction data is also again 1, 2, 3 subtopics you can see. P2P cycle, inventory cycle, inventory again subtopics, right? LIV subtopics, outline agreement subtopics, special procurement subtopics, and various advanced modules. All are S4HANA. Latest SAP S4HANA, all topics theoretically, practically, front end, back end. You are going to explain. This is the very latest syllabus. It covers all latest SAP MM topics. So you are going to become a right as a experienced person. 5 years experience, how much knowledge they get, that much knowledge you will get by these classes. Total how many topics? 16 topics. Starting from here. So I'm not considering these are the topics. See, these are all basics only, na. After A, B, C, D, even E itself. See, under E itself, total, I'm going to cover 16 topics. So these are all 16. Again, these 5, 21, 22. Sorry, no, 16 is 16, 5, 21, 21, 22, 23. Total 23 topics, including basics, 24 topics. 24 topics, 3.5 months duration. Coming Saturday, I'm going to start Saturday, Sunday classes, each day 2 hours, right? Like that, 3.5 minimum time, maximum 4 months, Saturday, Sunday. Whatever I teach Saturday, Sunday, Monday to Friday, I will give assignment. I'm going to create one WhatsApp group. Whoever got admission, I will put in that group. So students, as I said, this batch admissions already started. 70% admissions completed. Only for 30% admissions, I am taking this demo. So we have almost 20 students, including me. So I don't know how many students will get the admission, because like other institutions or other trainers, I cannot take as many as people. My classes are very limited. 30 people means I take 30 people only. 25 means 25. 26th person I will ask you to join next batch only. Okay, that way my classes will be there. I am very principled, disciplined person. I expect the same thing from you. Okay, so that is what I can say. So what is your next work? So whoever shared this meeting link, that is our HRs, you can contact them today or tomorrow anytime, because you don't have a time. Only tomorrow you have a time. Day after tomorrow I'm going to start the class. Please ask them what is the process to enrollment. If seats are available, they will help you how to get the enrollment. So attend the class, and right, once I get your admission details, I will add you into the class group. From there, our journey will be starting. So once batch is ready, I create one folder like this. So you see 177 students. Able to see my emails? Able to see? Suppose if I open this one, these are all who got admission in last batch. Last batch, I took, I think 40 admissions I took. Okay, these are the last batch students. These are all different documents. Each and every document I only prepare. So that way, okay, that way you see here, where is L1 file? See, this is the L1 batch folder. So you can able to see 177 is running, 176 batch students, and 175 batch students, 174 batch students, like that, 73, 72, 70, 71. So every batch, this particular laptop is having 156. Remaining batches I have a different laptop. So means minimum 30 students one batch also. You see almost 4 to 5,000 students trained by me last 7-8 years. I said right, you go to any organization, my student will be there. So generally, I do not give the publicity to write any outside social platforms like Telegrams, YouTubes. You know, right? In any trainer, if any successful student, immediately they will publish. Why? To attract the students' admissions. Hey, these many students got job, that many students got job. You come and join here. I give this, I give that. But you cannot see my publicity like that. But it doesn't mean that there is nothing. There are every batch, 40 to 50% or more than 50% students are successful. They are still counting. So generally, if any student got successful, I post in the class groups only. My phone is having more than, right, 140, 150 batches groups. So I only post in the group. For example, just for your motivation, this last January month, how many, there are many students got job, just a few students, just for your, for encouragement, for your, knowledge purpose. Guys, able to see this one? You see this one? Dear all, sorry, just 1 minute. Let me open. Yeah, I will. Let me share again. Okay. Able to see, dear all, good day. I would like to congratulate our student, MM consultant offers Vasanta, subject and project classes, 12 lakhs package cognizant, Sachin, subject and project classes completed 10.4 Accenture. So if I see here, Sachin, sir, good afternoon. I don't know how to express my gratitude to you, sir. I got an offer from the Accenture, 10.4 lakhs. After much considering today, I accept offer, sir. Hi, Sachin. Congratulations, sir. So Sachin offer letter. So he got recently offer. He's going to join next week. So Vasanta, who is part of my previous batch, so 12 lakhs package cognizant. So every student batch number and offer letter. And Shanu, who got job in where she got job, I think she got job in two offers. She is holding TCA. What is that? HCL and Tech Mahindra. Earlier, I thought entering into SAP industry is impossible, but however, your words are motivating me. Hard work. Yes, sir. So true. New year, new career in SAP. So 10th Jan already joined. She already joined. And Roshan, who got job in PwC and TCS, two offer letters. He got it. So so he is actually asking me to which one should I choose. This is the PwC offer, and this is the other company TCS offer. Okay, like this, just I took a few screenshots for you. So maybe right, the idea is right. How so whatever right whatever offers I am showing the last few batch of students who is completed subject and project and who got SAP consultant jobs. So like this, hundreds of students is going to motivate you. Just a just for the motivation and inspiration I'm showing. So what I'm saying, finally, I just want to give a word. So students, let me unshare. Okay, I'm stopped sharing. What I can say now, whoever got success, that was not easy to them. They put lot of efforts. They also joined just like you. Maybe a few months back, I conducted a demo. That time they don't know about me. They understand the program. They trusted. They joined, and they are very regular. They put their efforts 100%. So my classes and your efforts both is required to get the success mark. I am almost proved person. Last few years I am giving this training. This is not my first batch. So what I expect from you, you should be regular. Whatever assignments I am giving, you should be right. You should complete that assignments within the time. And whatever methods, whatever right instructions I will give, without fail, you must complete it. So that way, if you practice, definitely there is a result. So each and every step, my assistance, my support always there. Here, once student join, till they get the job right, my support will be continued. After subject, after project, resume preparation, interview preparation. In interview, how to talk, right? What not to talk, how to right give the answers to the interviewer, right? Once they get the offer letter, right, in real time, how to right how to survive, right, each and everything. So after getting job, how to survive in the organization also part of the class. I mean, one of the discussion point. So that way my support will be there throughout this journey. So please decide yourself. One thing I can say before concluding this session, to become a successful person in any career, important thing is right guru, that is a right trainer. So choose a right trainer, believe him, trust him, follow him, and just whatever he explains, right, practice without fail, put 100% effort. Your dream should be in your mind. To reach the dream, my classes, your efforts both will be helpful. So that is up to you. If you feel this program and my session would be helpful to you, if you feel that, plan your career, ma. So what is your next step? So if you have still doubts, you reach out to your HR, and they will help you. The fees, the other details, whatever. Almost everything I said, except fees. And you can contact them, and how to enroll also, they will help you. So then, you can see me in next Saturday. That is my first class. Okay. So I can say one thing, SAP is a very good career. Many speculations here and there. Don't believe it. Right destination, right route is important. There is no shortcuts for success, right? So if anyone say there is a shortcut, means don't believe it. Only one correct route is there. 100 wrong routes are there. Find a correct route, find a correct trainer, put right efforts, get your job. That is what I can say. All the very best, students. So still you have any questions, please post in the chat. And if no questions, you can drop off. There is nothing, right? Almost we covered everything. So if no questions, you can feel free to drop off, or still you can listen if you have any questions, right? I can happy to answer it. Fast, I will take 5 minutes to answer your questions because I need to jump into another call because I'm working for one of US client. 10 o'clock call will be there. Please, fatafat, give your questions, so I will go one by one. Of course, Shweta, this course is more than certification. Whatever course syllabus I am covering, the syllabus I have shown, right? This is and all means more than certification. Certification, right, almost 40% my syllabus only certification. We are covering almost 100%. So what I can say, after my classes, you can apply for a certification and you can do that. So if you are interested in any certifications, personally I did 7 certifications. I will help you how to apply, what kind of questions will come, how to prepare that, mock tests, everything I will help you if anyone interested in certification. Okay. Yeah, sure. SAP ECC certified, but now S4HANA is important. Certification now is having validity 1 year only. Every 1 year you have to apply for the certification. So try to do the S4HANA certification if you are willing, but otherwise you can try as a experienced, put some experience and try for the job. That is also good. Can I qualified candidate to course and job? There are many qualified candidates, ma. I said, right? It's my 178 batch. There are hundreds of people. You go to any software industry, my student will be there. That is my track record. Okay. Hope everyone understood the style of my teaching. Everything I teach very practically. I take one business example. First, I will explain one small business example. Then I will correlate that example with SAP. Then I will show the SAP scenario. Then you never forget that scenario. My students used to say one thing. Vijay sir, once, let me stop the recording.